this. Okay, go.
Kids, do not try this at home. Oh!
Oh, my nigga. Oh, my nigga. You're hurting me.
Do not try this at home either, kids.
You hurt me, my nigga. Run. That's
No, it's not run.
called,
Charles.
it's called jump.
Don't do this at home, kids! Oh!
Ooh.
Never try that at home,
Is he
kids.
kissing the floor?
I'm gonna try it from this angle.
Move, lady. Move. No, he was like, it's like you can say, move, bitch. So you
Kids, do not watch this, even if you're 8.
even if
do not
you're
watch
stupid or retarded.
This. Watch this, guys.
It comes first. My turn.
And that is bad for you, kids.
Alright, go on. I get 2.